We have for you the bottle tower. We have two versions of our bottle tower that I'll be showing you in a couple of minutes. Out of the box, you're going to receive 5 bottle inserts, your base, and a set of instructions depending on the rotating or not rotating. I'm going to put those away for the time being. So let's talk about the base first. We have 2 different bases, one that rotates, one that does not rotate. Rotation means that you can actually spin it around while you're feeding the bottles. So this is very handy because once you set your tree up, the only thing that spins is the first one, the first insert. All the others will spin at the same time. So you can very easily, without having to move, because it could start getting heavy, start spinning your system. Putting the balls around as you go. Our second option is the non-spin base, which will work the same way. The only difference is once it's in, you can hear it locks, it won't spin afterwards. Same principle, you just won't be able to spin it, but you can always go around it. Another thing we came up with in the vintage shop, you're going to see a small hole in our plate for the water that drops. There's 1 or 2 options. Number 1, you can connect a hose to the outlet of that hole, so you can drain the water that falls on your dish, or you can use the plug that comes previously installed to plug that hole. Once you plug it, the water or the liquid you're planning on draining would stay in the plateau. You can use this to drain your bottles. You can use this to drain your test jars. You can use this to drain your beer bottles. But more important, you can also use it for your PET bottles. If you see on this one, I have 3 dozen wine bottles and a FerMonster lying on top of it. Very simple, very easy to assemble, and it lets me dry off anything I want to dry off. Other than that, you can also assemble your monster cleaner on top of it, as it's got the perfect fit for you to be able to sanitize and at the same time start drying them off for quicker and better results. After you're done with this, you did all your bottles, you can always use your PET After you're done with your PET, you can also set it up for it to dry in your bottle tower.